Hello everyone. So we are going to discuss some calculation techniques in this video. Calculation to do faster multiplication, calculations to find square of numbers quickly, some special type of multiplication. So let's start without wasting time. The first technique, that is squaring of numbers which end with 5. How to find square of numbers quickly which ends with 5? The trick is very simple. So I will start on the right part, because you must be knowing 15 square and 25 square that you can verify. So the trick is, whenever you want to find the square of any number which ends with 5, do one thing: write 25 at the end. 25 will be the last two places, that's for sure. Now, what comes after 7? It's 8. Now, if you do multiplication of 7 and 8, what do you get? 7 into 8 give you 56. So my answer has to be 5625. Right? So likewise for 95, last two places has to be 25, that's for sure. And what comes after 9? It's 10. What is 9 into 10? 9 into 10 gives you 90. So answer is 9025. So in a similar way, if you want to calculate square of 15, so last number is 5. I'm very sure last two places has to be 25. And what comes after 1? It's 2. So what is 2 into 1? It's 2. So answer has to be 225. That's perfectly fine. Right? So for 6 to 25, what we can do? What comes after 2? It's 3. What is 3 into 2? That is 6. So last number has to be 25 again. Right? So for 35, I'm very sure 3. What comes after 3? It's 4. What is 4? 3s are, it is 12. So answer has to be 1225. Similar way for 45, what comes after 4? It's 5. 5 4s are 20, and the last two places has to be 25. So what is 105 square? What comes after 10? It's 11. So answer has to be 10 11s are, it's 110, and the last two places must be 25. So my answer is 11025. What about 115? So what comes after 11? It's 12. Now 12 into 11, this give you 132. How I did it? I will explain you how to quickly find multiplication by 11. So first of all, these are the squares of number which ends with 5. Now let's understand how to quickly multiply any number with 11. The trick is very simple. So if you have a number 32, you want to multiply with 11. Don't do the earlier method you learned, that is 1 2s and 1 3s and so on. Do it smartly. Like, write 3 here and 2 here. So you have to write the extreme numbers and then add these two numbers and write in between. What is 3 plus 2? It is 5. How I get it 5? I got simple the sum of the digits, 3 plus 2. So my answer has to be 352. Right? For similar way, for 45, what you can do? You can write 4 here. You can write 5 at the right side. What is 4 plus 5? It is 9. So my answer has to be 495. Right? We always add in pair of 2. For 125, what we'll do? We'll write 1 here. We'll write 5 here. And what is 2 plus 5? It is 7. What is 1 plus 2? It is 3. So we'll go in the order and we'll find the sum in pairs. Right? Again, look carefully what I did here. I simply wrote 5 here at the extreme place and 1 at the leftmost extreme place. Then what I did, I simply added in pairs. What is 5 plus 2? It is 7. What is 2 plus 1? It is 3. So answer has to be 1375. But you have to be very careful whenever you add the digit, and if you got sum as more than 9, then you have to shift the carry. Like for example, for 75 into 11, if you write 7 here, if you write 5 here, and what is 7 plus 5? It is 12. If you write 12 here, this is absolutely wrong. This is not the right way. What you have to do is, you have to shift or you have to add the carry forward. Like, write 7 here, write 5 here. What is 7 plus 5? It is 12. I will only write the rightmost digit, that is 2. And this 1 will be added in the 7 as a carry forward. So answer has to be 825. Right? So let's have one more example here. 89 into 11. I will write 8 at the leftmost place, 9 at the rightmost place. What is 8 plus 9? It is 17. So I will write 7 and this 1 will be for carry. So this will become 979. So 89 into 11 is actually 979, right? Let's move on. Let's have some more examples on this particular variety. Suppose you have 2, 1, 3, 2 into 11. The logic is very same. So what I will do, I will write 2 at the rightmost place and here also 2. The extreme numbers will be same. Now I will add in pair. What is 2 plus 3? It is 5. What is 3 plus 1? It is 4. What is 1 plus 2? It is 3. So answer has to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. Let's have a bigger number with bigger digits. Let's we have 7, 9, 2, 4, 6 into 11. Don't worry. Just go by the method. Write 6 here, write 7 here. Now add pair. What is 4 plus 6? It is 10. I will not write 10. I will only write 0. 1 will be for carry. Now what is 4 plus 2? It is 6, but 1 was carry. That's why it will be again 7. What is 9 plus 2? It is 11. I will not write 11. I will only write 1, and 1 will be again for carry. What is 7 plus 9? It's 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. I will not write 17. I will only write 7, and 1 will be carry. So answer has to be 871706 is the multiplication for is the answer for this particular multiplication. I hope that's okay. That's very easy. All right. So doesn't matter how many digits it has, the logic will be same. Let's move on to the next one. That is square of 1111 n times. So if you have any particular number, you want to find the square of a number which contains only ones, right? So again, the pattern is very easy. 11 square, everyone knows it's 121. If not, I will tell you how to find it. Just listen me very carefully. How many ones are there? 2. So we'll write natural numbers from 1 to 2. 1, 2, and then decrease it. 1, 2, and then subtract it, then go reverse. Go in the reverse order. 1, 2, and then again back 1. So we have 3 ones. So I will write 1, 2, 3. And then I will go back. 2, 1. Right? So we have 4 ones. I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. I will go back again. 3, 2, 1. So how many times 1 I have? 4. That's why I will write natural numbers from 1 to 4 and then I will go back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, if you have 1, 1, 1, 5 times, you want to calculate the square. So my answer has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will go back. 4, 3, 2. Go back to what? Go back to 1. Right? Similarly, if you have 6 times 1, what I will do, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I will go back to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope that's easy. So here, how many times 1 we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will go back to 1 then. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's my answer. Very easy. All right, let's move on. Let's move on to the base method of multiplication. How to find multiplication of any two numbers quickly using the base. So there are some conditions. There are some particular type of number which we can multiply using the base method. What are that particular type of numbers? Understand very carefully. See, we have two examples on the screen: 108 into 107, and we have 109 into 104. Can I say these numbers are close to 100? Both the numbers are close to 100. Yes, so that's why 100 is the base of these numbers, right? 100 is the base. How much this number is more than 100? It's 8, so I will write plus 8. How much 107 is more than 100? It's 7, so I will write plus 7. Your first step. Your first step is multiply these numbers. 7 8s are 56, right? Now you'll get an answer. See how. What is 107 plus 8? It is 115. Or you can do the either way around. 108 plus 7. It is again 115. So 115 multiplied by the base. So my base was 100 and then add this number. So my answer is 11556. Right? You just have to find out. First of all, we have to multiply whatever is extra in the numbers. So 8 is extra, so that I wrote plus 8. 7 is extra, I write plus 7. 7 8s are 56. Now 108 plus 7. 108 plus 7 is 115. Now 115 and we have to write 2 digits here. Why 2 digit? Because 100 has 2 digits and we already has 2 digits 56. That's why I will write 11556. Let's try this one. We have 109 into 104. So write plus 9 and plus 4. So 9 fours are 36. What is 109 plus 4? It is 113. Or you can do the this way around, 104 plus 9. This two will always be same. 104 plus 9 is also 113. So here our base is 100. Again, I have to write 2 digits here, but we already have 2 digits. That's why it has to be 11336 is my answer. And if not, 113 into the base and then add the product of the extreme numbers. What do you get here? So answer is 11336, right? This is the method how to multiply using base method. We'll have so many examples for this particular method. So this one, again same thing, the numbers are close to 100, but this time the numbers are less. So I will write -2 and I will write -3 because 98 is 2 less than 100 and 97 is 3 less than 100. So I will write -2 and -3. So multiplication of -2 and -3 will give me +6. What is 97 minus 2? It is 95. What is 98 minus 3? It is again 95. So 95. Now multiply these numbers by base. I will get 0, 0 and then add. So answer is 9506. That's my answer, right? This is applicable when the numbers are close to any particular number which are in the form of 10 to the power n, 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So let's solve this one. 93 into 94. 93, it is 7 less than 100. 94, it is 6 less than 100. 6 sevens are 42, right? Now 94 minus 7 or 93 minus 6, this will give you 87. Now if you multiply the base was 100, so you will get 8700 and you add 442, so answer has to be 8742, right? So in the previous examples we were more than 100 and in these two examples we were less than 100. What about if one number is less and one number is more? No worries, we'll have a discussion on this also. Wait for some time. So let this number we have 1002 and 1003, but this time our base will be how much? It will be 1000. So how much this number is more than 1000? It is 2. And how much this number is more than 1000? It is 3. So first of all, multiply these numbers. What I get? I get +6. I get +6. Now 1003 plus 2 or 1002 plus 3. This will give me 1005. Right? You have to multiply this number by base. So my base is 100. That's why I will multiply by 100. I will get 3 zeros and add 6. So my answer will be 1005006. Right? So let's quickly try this number. 1012 is how much more than 1000? It is 12. Because I measured my number from 1000. That's why I will write plus 12. What about 1004? It is 4 more than 1000. So 4 more and 12 more. What is the multiplication of 12 and 4? It is 48. Now, what is 1012 plus 4? It is 1016. 1016 multiplied by base, that is 3 zeros, and add 48. So I will get 1016048. That's an answer. Simple. Right? So these were the numbers which were either more than a particular number, that is 100 or 1000, or less than. What about there's a mix-up? So we have 1008 and 998. Don't worry. First number 1008. Identify the base for these two numbers. Are these two numbers close to 1000? Yes. So that's why my base is what? 1000. How much this number is more than 1000? It is 8. And how much this number is less than 1000? It is 2. So I will write +8 and -2. What about 8 twos are? It's 16, but this time we get -16. Now, what is 1008 minus 2? It is 1006. Or we can do 998 plus 8. It is again 1006. Now 1006 when multiplied by base will give you 1006000. And this time we have to subtract, not the addition. So if you subtract 16 from 1006000, you will get 1005984. Right? We simply subtracted 16 from the numbers. Right? So 1007 and 996. So this number is 7 more than the 1000 and this number is 4 less. So 7 fours are 28, but this time I will get -28 because one is positive, the other is negative. Now, what is 1007 minus 4? It is 1003. So if you multiply by the base, because we measured number from 1000, so I will multiply by 1000. And if I subtract 28, what I will get? I will get 1002972. So that's my answer. That's my answer for this particular multiplication. So I hope the base method is clear to you. We can use base method for any of the numbers which are close to 1000, 100, or we can say 50 also. But we have to be very, very careful with these steps. First step is measure the number from the base. So this number is 8 more and this number is 2 less. So I will do the multiplication. I got minus 16. And then 1008 minus 2 or 998 plus 8. This will always give me the same number, 1006. I multiply by base and then simply added minus 16, or we can just subtracted 16. I got 1005984. So this is the way how to multiply two numbers using base method, right? Let's start with the next one, which is based on crisscross multiplication. What will happen if the numbers are not close to any particular base? So this time crisscross method will help you to escape. So how to follow the method? Listen very carefully. You have to just follow these 3 steps. So first step is this multiplication. Second step is this multiplication and the addition. And then the last step is this multiplication. You will get your answer. So in this particular question, how can we find the answer? See, what is 2 into 2? 2 2s are 4. I will write 4 here. Then I will do the cross. 3 2s are, it's 6. And 1 2s are, it's 2. What is 6 plus 2? It is 8. So I will write 8 here. And the last step will give me the third digit. This give me 3 into 1. This give you 3. So answer is 384. Very easy. Let's again follow this. First step is this one. Second step is cross. And then we have to do this one. Right? So first step, 2 3s are 6. Then 7 3s are 21. And 21 plus 2. This give me 23. I will write 2 as a carry. Now, what is 7 ones are? 7 ones are 7. Plus 2 is the carry. The answer has to be 936. Very easy one. Let me explain you once again what I did. I simply follow these 3 steps. This multiplication, and this multiplication. So first step, 2 2s are 4. Next step, 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Add both of them. 6 plus 2, it is 8. And the last step is closing. 3 1s are 3. The answer is 384. Similarly, I can write 2 3s are 6. 21 plus 2, it's 23. I will write 3 and I will write 2 as a carry. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So my answer is 936. Right? Let's have one more example. Just give a try on these numbers. So 2 3s are 6. Now 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 12 give me 33. I will write 21 plus 12. This give me 33. I will write 3 and carry will be 3 again. Now 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. So my answer has to be 4536. Agree? So 7 2s are 14. I will write 4. I will have 1 as a carry. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 10 is 73. 73 plus 1 is 74. I will write 4 and 7 is a carry. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 7 is 52. So my answer is 5244. Right? What will happen if the digits are 3? It's a 3-digit number. What will do? So 121 into 212. The method will be same. So we'll do the multiplication of 1 digit, 1 from upward, 1 from downward, then 2 from the upward, 2 from the downward, this multiplication. Then we'll follow 3 from the upward, 3 from the downward, and we'll do this multiplication. And then again, multiplication of 2, and then the closing 1. So if the digits are 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Multiplication of 1, 1. 1, 1 means one number from the upward number and one from the second one. So the answer will be 2 here. Second step, cross. Just do cross it. 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1. 4 plus 1, it's 5. So first step done, second step done. Third is the multiplication of extremes and the middle one. So I'm writing it here. Look very carefully how I'm doing it. So wait a minute. Okay, so 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and 2 1s are 2. So I will write 2 plus 2 plus 2. This give me 6. So first step, 1 2s are. Second step, this cross. Third step, extreme got multiplied and the middle one got multiplied. We got 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Now, first 3 steps are done. Now we are closing because we don't have any 4 digits. That's why for 1 1 multiplication, 2 digit multiplication, 3 multiplication, and then we'll have multiplication of the lesser one, right? So first multiplication is multiplication of 1 from the upward, 1 from downward. The answer is 2. Then multiplication of these two, 1 2 from the upward, right, 2 from the downward. So 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Then we have multiplication of 3 digits, extremes and the middle one. So if you multiply extreme, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and 2 ones are 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, it's 6. Then left side multiplication of left 2. So this multiplication, so 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 is again 5, and then the closing. This gives me 2. So my answer is 2 5 6 5 2. Right? Let's have one more example here. So first step is 1 into 2, this give me 2. Then multiplication of these two. This give me 4 plus 2. This give me 6. Right? Now we have to multiply 3 from the upward, 3 from the downward, but we have to be very cautious. Extreme got multiplied and the middle one got multiplied. So when you multiply extreme, so 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1. So 4 plus 1 plus, and the middle one we forgot. So 2 2s are 4. What we got? We got 9. Then the first 3 steps are done. Then the multiplication of 2 from the upward, 2 from the downward, but the left one. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. 4 plus 2. This gives me 6. And then the closing extremes, the answer is 2 6 9 6 2. I hope you're getting me and you're following me. Let's have one more example. Don't forget this step. Don't forget this step. So first step, second step, third step, fourth step, and the closing. Right? These are the steps. So just try, give a try, pause this video, and then check your answer after your once you get your answer. So first thing, first step. What is 4 2s are? It is 8. Second step, 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. I will write 6 and 2 will be carry. Right? Now, third step, that is extreme multiplication of extreme. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 15 is 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. Carry over 3. Right? Now, multiplication of left 2s. So 2 into 5 is 10. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 plus 3 is 25. Carry over 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So your answer is 105768. Right? So I hope you must be able to do it now. So just pause the video again and try to solve the answer. Try to get the answer for this one. So I'm doing it. 7 5s are 35. Carry over 3. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 10 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. I will write 3 and 2 will be carry. Right? Then we have to multiply the extremes. So what are the extremes? So 8 7s are 56. 5 2s are 10. 66 becomes 66 plus 4 become 70. 70 plus 2 will become 72. So I will write 2 and 7 will be carry. Right? Now the multiplication of left 2, 8 2s are 16. And 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 7 is 27. Carry over 2. Right? 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. So my answer has to be 187275. Right? So I'm very sure you must be able to do it now. Now, a question must arise in your brain or in your mind. If you have a 3-digit number, like suppose we have 322 and a 2-digit number, let's say we have 43, what we'll do? It's a mix-up of 2 and 3. No, it's not a mix-up of 2 and 3. You can make it always 3 by 3 by putting 0. Right? A very easy one. Just follow these steps now. First step, 2 3s are, it's 6. Then cross 6 plus 8, it's 14, right? I will write 4, carry over 1. Then extremes, 9 plus 0, it's 9. 9 plus 8, it's 17. 17 plus 1, it's 18. Carry over again 1. So first 3 step done, then the left 2 multiplication. 12 and 0, it is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 3, carry over 1. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So answer is 1, 3, 8, 4, 6, right? So in this way, you can find the square of, in this way, you can find the multiplication of any kind of numbers, a 2-digit number with a 3-digit number, or a 3-digit number with 3-digit number, right? The step will also be applicable for a 4-digit number, but that will be a very tricky one. You will not be using the same thing in the examination, but there are methods you can follow the same steps. Like suppose you have 2, 1, 1, 2, and you want to multiply with 1, 2, 3, 1. What we'll do? The method will be same. So multiplication of 1 digit and then 2 digit, then 3 digit, then 4 digit, then 3 digit, then 2 and 1. We'll start from the right one. So 1, 1, 1 from the upward, 1 from the downward. The answer is 2. Then 2 digit from the left one and 2 from the left one, the bottom one. Right? So we got what? 6 and 1. This gives you 7. Then multiplication of 3 digit, 3 from the first number, 3 from the second number. I'm just making the arrows here. So 1, 1s are 1, 2, 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, it's 5. 5 plus 3, it is 8. So this is 8, right? Now we'll have a multiplication of 4-digit numbers. But how? We'll multiply the extremes and then multiply the cross also. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 and 1s are, it's again 2, and 3 1s are, it's 3. What we got? We got 9, 6 plus 3, yes, right? So this is the multiplication of 4. So we multiply 1, 1, we multiply 2, 2, we multiply 3, 3, we multiply 4, 4. Now 3, 3 from the left one, right? These 3 numbers. So 2 3s are 6, plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2 is again 9. Then multiplication of 2, these 2. We keep on moving left. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 it's 5, and then there's 2 1s are 2. So that's your answer, 2599872. I hope you're able to catch me and how I'm doing the calculation, how I'm finding the calculation quickly, right? All right. So these are some special multiplication. Just look very carefully how I've multiplied these numbers very quickly within seconds. See, it's a special multiplication. Can you see a special property that the sum of digit is 10? Yes. Sum of the unit digit is 10? Yes, right? And the tens place are same, right? So these numbers are same, the tens place are same, and the unit digit has sum as 10. Such multiplication is very easy. What do you have to do? You have to simply do 7 3s are 21. We simply multiply these numbers. And what comes after 7? It's 8. 7 8s are 56. So my answer is 5621. Simple, right? See, what is 2 8s are? It is 16. I will write 16. What comes after 6? It's 7. 6 7s are, it's 42. So my answer is 4216, right? So you must be able to do it now. We can see the sum of digit at the tens place, sorry, not the tens place, the ones place is 10 and the tens place are same. So what comes after 8? It's 9. 8 9s are 72 and 6 4s are 24. That's my answer. So my answer is 7224. Similarly, 1 plus 9 is 10. That's why 9 zeros are, sorry, 9 ones are 9. So I will not write 9. I will write 09. We have to write 2 digits. What comes after 7? It's 8. 7 8s are 56. So answer is 5609. Right? So this is a special multiplication. How to find multiplication if the sum of unit digit is 10 and the numbers before that are same. Right? Let's say we have a number. We have 123 into 127. That's the same logic. The sum of unit digit is 10. So 7 3s are 21. What comes after 12? It's 13. Now, if you want to calculate 13 12s, just follow this step. 6 crisscross. I'm using 6, 2 and 2, 2 and 3 is 5 and 1. So answer is 1, 5, 6. So answer is 1, 5, 6, 2, 1. So as many methods you know, you will be able to find, you will be able to apply all these methods all together and find the calculation or find the answer very quickly, right? All right, let's move on to the next one. It is special multiplication. Now, if you carefully observe, they are asked you 32 into 25, 120 into 125, 64 into 37.5, 440 into 75. See, there's a very basic logic. If you're multiplying, let's say 6 into 8, what do you got? You got 48. What if I double this number? So double of 6 is 12 and half of this number. The product will be still same, 48. If I again do the double of the first number and half of the second number, the answer will be again same, 48. So I'm going to use this same method because this is multiplication by 25. And I know 25 will definitely become 100 if I multiply by 4. So if you go one by one, let's say if I do half of this number, 16, and if I do double of the number, that is 50. So whatever is the answer for 32 and 25, it will be same as 16 into 50. And this will be same as if I do again half of 16, which is 8, and double of 50, which is 100. What I got? I got 800. So my answer is 800, right? So if you're very comfortable, what you can do is 32 into 25. How can 25 become easier number? If you multiply by 4. So if you multiply by 4, this will become 100. And if you divide this number by 4, what do you get? You get 8. So you basically what you did, you take out 8 from 32 and give it to 25. That will become 100. So answer is 800, right? So you have to always double the number which ends with 5 because this will ultimately end in a easier number. So 125. So if you do double of 125, this will be 250, right? And same thing, if you do half of 128, this will be 64. The product is balanced. If you again do half of this number, this is 32, and double of 250 is 500. If you again do half of 32, it is 16, and double of 500 is 1000. What do you get? You get 16,000. That's your answer. Very easy one. Right now we have 64 in 37.5. Now it's decimal. It's decimal given to us. 37.5. If you do double of 8, you get 75, right? Double of 30, it's 60. Double of 7.5. 7 and 7, 14, and 0.5 is 1. That is 15. So 75 is double of 37.5. 64, if you do half of it, it's 32. 32 into 75 is same as 64 into 37.5. I'm again doing double of 75 is giving 150 and this becomes 16. So which multiplication I know? If I again do double of 150, this becomes 300. And if I do half of 8, this becomes 8. Is this multiplication easier? Yes. The answer will be 2400. Very easy, right? Now we have the last number. It's 440 into 75. You always have to do double of number which has 5 in it, right? 75, double is 150. What is half of this number? It is 220. What is double of 150? It is 300. And what is half of this number? It is 110. Can you do the multiplication? Yes. It's 33300. That's my answer, right? So always make double of the number which ends with 5, right? All right. So suppose you have 62 into 15. So 62, the half will be 31, and 15, the double will be 30. I simply do half of a number and double of other number. The product is balanced. What is 31 into 30? This give me 930. That's my answer, right? What if I get decimal? What does it mean? Let's say if I do double of 25, this become 50, and half of 122, this becomes 61. Now what? I will do double of 50, which is 100, and half of 61, which will give me a number in decimal. What is half of 60? It is 30. And what is half of 1? It's 0.5. So this is 30.5. Now, can you do 30.5 into 100? Very easily. The answer is 3050. So if you're not able to do it half of a number, we can do it half by putting decimal, right? Similar logic is applicable for division. Suppose you want to divide a number by 5, which means you want to calculate 20% of the number, because 20% is simply 1/5 of the number, right? So can I do, if you multiply this number by 2 and multiply numerator denominator both by 2, what do you get? you get 244 upon 10. So this is very easy. The answer is 24.4. Right? 25. How can I make? Now think quickly. How can I make 25 as 100 if you multiply by 4? So if you don't want to go by like to multiply by 2 and multiply by 2, you can directly multiply by what? Directly multiply by 4. That can also work. So if you directly multiply by 4, so denominator will become 100 and numerator will become what? It becomes 452. So my answer will be what? It will be 4.52. You can verify with the calculator or the basic method. Easy one. You should try this. 1231 divided by 125. Now 125 can land up to 1000 if you multiply by 8. If not, do one by one. If you do twice of the number, you will get 2462 divided by 250. If you again do double of the number, so you will get 4, 6 2s are 12, carry over 1, 4 ka double ho gaya 8, 9 and then 4, 4924 divided by 500. If you again do double of it, you will get an answer. So 8, 4, 8, 9, 9848 divided by 1000. So what is your answer? 9.848. Or what you can do, you can directly multiply by 8. So 8 ones are 8. 8 threes are 24. Carry over 2. 16 plus 2 is 18. Carry over 1. 8 ones are 8 and 9. So 9848 divided by 1000. This gives you 9.848. Right? Let's start with the last one. I'm removing all this calculation. So 1313 divided by 25. 25 can become 100 if you multiply by 4. So if you multiply by 4 in numerator and denominator, you will get your answer. So 4 threes are 12, carry over 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 1, it's 5. And again, same thing you will get. So 5252 divided by 100. So answer has to be 52.52. So this is the method. How will you find the division of a number by 5, 25 and 125, right? Thank you for watching this video. Keep sharing with your friends and your schoolmates.